Hi, welcome to the video. If you are looking for a way to sync QuickBooks Online with Zoho CRM, look no further. In this video, we will show you how to do it and explain the benefits of doing so. You will learn why syncing these two platforms is a good idea and how it can save you time and hassle. After watching this video, you will be able to set up the sync between QuickBooks Online and Zoho CRM with ease. What is Zoho CRM QuickBooks Online integration? It is an amazing extension that integrates the Zoho CRM and QuickBooks Online. It enables you to sync data bidirectionally and keep your customer and inventory module up to date. Why should you sync QuickBooks Online with Zoho CRM? This synchronization helps you transfer data between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks effortlessly, and you can view data right from your CRM. By integrating the two legend, Zoho CRM and QuickBooks Online, you will be able to get a double benefit. You can work with both apps with the same information without any hassle. With this integration, you can view your customers' accounting metrics such as products, contacts, quotes, invoices, and sales orders. For a smooth working of your business, this integration will efficiently manage all the records, including vendor details, credit notes, sales details, and bill. What are the benefits of syncing QuickBooks Online with Zoho CRM? The main advantage is synchronization. The bidirectional synchronization definitely increases productivity and saves time and energy by transferring or entering the data automatically without faults. And obviously, it saves more time on jumping from QuickBooks to Zoho. This will help business to keep track of important data between two applications. How do you sync QuickBooks Online with Zoho CRM and in reverse? The contact and accounts of the Zoho CRM are synced as customers in the QuickBooks. The Zoho QB extension enables you to sync bidirectionally with four ways of syncing. Let us discuss them one by one. The first is the on-save sync. This will sync records at the time when you click on the save button. This sync option is only performed from Zoho to QuickBooks. The second one is the copy to QB sync. It is the one-way method that actually copies or duplicates existing Zoho CRM records info to QuickBooks. The next sync is the historical sync. This sync option is performed on both the sides and lets you sync data created between a specific period. And the final one is automatic cron sync. Cron sync happens every 10 minutes and it is only provided for syncing records from QuickBooks to Zoho CRM. Before syncing process, you have to map the fields. Don't worry, the fields are mapped already. If you want to edit, just click on this. Drag the right widget and drop it in the appropriate place. After mapping all the required fields, click on Save Mapping. Okay, let's go for syncing process. Go to the settings. Enable the on-save sync. And select the default module for contact as contacts or accounts. These are the modules of Zoho QB: contacts, products, invoices, sales orders, and quotes. Now I am choosing contacts to sync from Zoho to QB. For syncing process, I am creating a contact by clicking on Create a Contact in the Contact module. Fill in all the required information. Now click on Save. The contact has been updated in the Contact module of Zoho CRM. Let us check and confirm whether the newly created contact has been synced in QuickBooks. By clicking on Audit option, you can check the successful and unsuccessful status of the syncs. We can check it in QuickBooks. By refreshing the QuickBook contact, we can see the updated contact. The next is the Copy to QB sync. For that, select any one of the contact from the Contact module. and go to the detailed view of the contact. Now click on Copy to QuickBooks. We check it in QuickBooks Contact. Here is the contact synced. This is all about the syncing process. Thank you for watching.